Now we're going to be moving on to our first problem. The problem states that William and Sally put 160 marbles in a jar. William put 83 of the marbles in the jar. How many marbles did Sally put in? So for this, we know the total and we know part of it, but we need to know the difference of what Sally put in, because we know William put in the 83. So right now I've already made this comparison chart and the difference is unknown. So we're going to label this the large set right up top. Because this is going to represent the 160 total marbles. All of this. And now we're going to label this section right here the small set, because this is going to represent the 83 marbles that William put in. And we're going to label this small set. And right now we know that these two line diagrams are going to be equal. And so these two strips represent 160. So knowing that, we know that this has to add up to 160, including the 83. So this is going to be our question mark, and this is going to be the difference. So how we're going to find this out is by subtracting the small set from the large set to get the difference. So we know right here that the large set is what we're going to start with, the 160 marbles, and we're going to do subtracting the 83, and that is going to equal our difference. So how we're going to subtract this is just 160. It's an easy way to write it out, minus 83. And we know that this total will equal 77. So knowing that the total is 77, we know that Sally put in 77 marbles in order to make 160 at all. So the difference is Sally put in 77 marbles. And so that solves our problem. 77 is how many marbles Sally put in.